How to use the strength widget on Garmin Fenix 7X Pro. All right, so your first step is to start the strength activity. So from the watch face, press the start button and select strength. So go ahead and tap on strength. Once you've done so, choose free for an open gym session or select a structured workout you created inside of Garmin Connect. All right, so once that's done, you can now start your first set by clicking on start and beginning your exercise. The watch automatically counts repetitions for many exercises after several reps have been completed. Garmin notes that rep counting typically appears after at least 4 repetitions and works best with consistent arm movement. So once that's done, you can now go ahead and end your set by pressing the lap button. The watch will always end the set, show your rep count, and start the rest timer, which allows you to edit your reps and weight if needed. Now, in order to edit your reps and weight, if the watch counted incorrectly, you can adjust those reps manually. Now, once that's done, you can now also make use of the rest timer. During the rest period, the watch automatically displays a timer. When you're ready to begin the next set, just press the lap again to begin. Garmin's strength profile is designed around alternating work and rest periods. And then the next step is to finish and save your workout. So after your final set, just simply press on start and select save. After syncing with the Garmin Connect app, you'll be able to receive your total workout duration, heart rate, sets and reps, weight lifts, and estimated muscle group trained. All right.